Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Main, and today I'm going to discuss a data mining platform for education that is called BrightBytes, and it is actually used in many schools across the United States. So, this one platform for data mining that an educator or school district can use is called BrightBytes. This is a cloud based platform for educational data mining. And the goal of BrightBytes is to help districts improve learning for their students based on their learning outcomes, not for one student, but for all students within the entire district. It does not matter the individual, if it's the teacher or if it's a student or the superintendent or principal, data is constantly being created. So, BrightBytes was created to collect and store this data to run algorithms and provide predictive analysis for the students in each course, in a grade, a class, or any other grouping method that the district wishes to use. So, as you can see, as we are scrolling through BrightBytes, their homepage, this is their leading cloud-based platform. It looks at data infrastructure, data analytics. As you can see, there is the data dictionary and a knowledge base. There's app features that they can use, a digital learning center. But really, the big picture for K through 12 educational data is that it allows for the district to house all this data in one easily used platform. And so it's going to integrate all the data sources and then run various algorithms that's then displayed for the user in a dashboard. And so also what's awesome about this platform is that it specifically, I wanted to show you, provides all of these different views of looking at graphs. So if you are not someone that can look at a pie chart and understand it as well as maybe a correlation, you can look at it that way. Or you can use a bar graph. Click here. And so specifically, there's many different analysis that can occur. So for some, it might be performance or attendance or even behavioral based. And what's also great is that BrightBytes will allow the user to understand the data through many questions and different research areas provided by the user. So the instructor's never alone through this process using BrightBytes. And as you can see, this is just showing you the platform itself, going through how there's different dashboards for the teacher to look at, to filter by, and of course you can look at attendance or grades, their progress to graduation, etc. So this is a truly unique approach to transforming data in this platform. So the textbook discussed that we see more data mining in the K through 12 areas than we do in higher education, open education, or the MOOCs. But I predict in about the next 5 years, we will actually see this data mining platform being used in MOOCs, open education classes, and potentially in our higher education universities. A program like BrightBytes is great for an instructor in the K through 12 area or an instructor teaching MOOCs and open education because it collects data for the teacher, giving predictive feedback. This resource can be used to specifically cater learning lessons for each individual student so students are not left behind or if they don't understand a topic or if they learn differently than others. BrightBytes can be used to help design instruction in the next 5 years that caters to all the learners in the classroom, so all students feel as if they are engaged in learning at all times, and not bored if they are understanding the material, but not falling behind either. Another prediction is that instructors for MOOCs can use the data collected in one course to better predict outcomes for the next course, to better provide learning opportunities for all their students.